Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen console. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first, search for Valorant and then right click and then go to File Location. Now from there, right click and then open File Location again. And then what you're going to do on this one is go to Riot Games and then go to Valorant. And now from here, what you're going to do is go to Shooter Game. And then go to this one. Now find this file. And right click and then go to Properties. Now go to Compatibility. Now check on this one and then click Apply and then click OK. Now you have to check and wait on your Valorant. If it's still not working, repeat the same process. Now what you're going to do next is to uncheck this one and then check this and then click Apply again and then click OK. Now you have to wait and check your app. If it's still not working, repeat the same process. Now what you're going to do now is do the same thing, uncheck this one and click Apply and then click OK, and you have to wait for that. And now if it's still not working, what you're going to do is go back to this folder and delete these two files right here. Now you can also go to Services and find this one. Scroll all the way down. Now here, VGC, right click on that, go to Properties. And then what you're going to do here is change it from manual to automatic. And then click Apply, and that should fix your problem, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.